Hello, welcome to the Adroit ERP software. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Herbal clinic software and also teach you how to use this software to manage your clinic. Okay, so this is how the interface look like. This is how the software look like. This is the dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a graphical overview of the clinic and all the operations that are taking place under the clinic. And I would like to take you through some of the features that this system can help you to do. As you can see on my left side, we have the financial resource management. The financial resource management deals with the accounting aspect of the business. The accounting aspect, we have the customers, the suppliers, the profit and loss, the balance sheet, the trial balance, and other transactions that you are into. We have also the operations. The operations has to do, this is where the core business of the clinic. That's where you can enter your patients, your medical personnel, your insurance vendors, the patient that check in, that checks out. We have also the customer relation management. We also have the payroll. So let's say your clinic, you want to manage your employees. You can use the payroll system here. You can use these forms to register your employees as well, their pay, their basic pay, their allowances, their benefits, and all other things that pertains the employees that you have in your organizations. We also have the bill of manufacturing. That is, if you are into manufacturing, you can use this feature to do your manufacturing, to manufacture your items or your inventories or whatever you are into manufacturing. So under I'll take you through the operations. I'll go through the operations. Okay, so there are various reports that this system can help you to generate. For instance, we have the patient report, we have the patient vitals. These are the patient reports. So as you can see, the full details of all the patients that comes in. We have the vitals that we have been taking, the full details of reports on this patient. We have the patient checking. Maybe let's say a patient comes in, the vital, or once they check in, you can have a full report for a day or for a particular period. The number of patients that have checked in. We have the consultation report. We have the lab test report. You can generate all this report from this system. We have the patient history report. You can generate them. So let's go to how you can enter or you can register the patients. So this is where if you come to new, you click on new. You use this form. These are the fields that are available for you to fill. These are some of the details you can fill. You can also insert the picture of that patient over here. Then you click on add new. That patient will be added to it. Maybe let's go to appointment. We have some appointments. We have medical personnel, their full details. You can add those medical personnel, their details and everything over here. Add their details and everything over here. After that, you click on any new. It will be added to the system. So when the patient comes in, this is where you check the patient in. You select the patient, you select the name of the patient, a note or description, then you click on post. It will be posted for you to have a full report on them. This is where you take the patient vitals. Let's say a patient going for a lab test. This is the form that they will use. This is the window that you use to enter their details and their test details as well. So if you have any appointment, you can key in all this information. If a patient, you have any appointment, any patient, this is the form that you can use to enter the details when you start the appointment, when the appointment will start, will end, the patient, and the appointment type as well. We have also the prescription. These are the prescription that the doctor will issue for a patient, and the consultation chart. This is the consultation chart as well. These are all available for you to use. After that, you click on post, it will be posted successfully into the system. So let's come back to, let's see how the accounting aspect, if this is the inventory, let's say the hospital or the clinic has some inventories that they buy or they use, you can enter all those equipment over here. You have suppliers who supply equipment to the hospital or the clinic. You can enter them, the supplier, their details and everything. You go to new, it will add all this information available for you to add to the suppliers. So let's come to the profit and loss. This is the profit and loss. These are some of the reports that the system can generate for you as an accountant. This is where the accountant can use to manage the clinic. Okay, so let's see our trial balance. This is the trial balance. This is just an example of how your trial balance, how the system can generate this trial balance for you as well. This is the double entry form. This is a double entry. So the system has so many functions that you can use that can help you to manage the hospital very well. Let's see the payroll. This is the payroll. You can generate the payroll for all your employees. Select the period. Select the period in the year as well. Then the payroll will be generated for them. We have the tier 1, we have the SNET tier 2, we have the tier 3 as well. So all these things, all these features are available for you at once you use this system, and we can customize this system too for you to see it however you want it to be. It's not limited to just what we are demonstrating now. You can bring your description, then you customize it to suit however you want it to be. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be useful.